Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's going to be a quick recipe, but a very important one because never again will you buy honey mustard from the supermarket after watching this. And I feel very strongly about it, so listen up. Buying one more condiment is just another expense added to your grocery list and one more thing to stash in your pantry or fridge that would unnecessarily take up the space. And you need that space for better things, don't you? Well, anyway, as usual, all good things begin with mayonnaise. Then we have our mustard, and I usually don't like to use this brand or type of mustard, but that's what we had on hand, and the beauty of it is you can experiment yourself by changing and using Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, or deli mustard to make this and taste the different outcomes and see what suits you best. You can follow the exact ingredient ratios that I've done here, but I highly advise that you taste and alter to your own liking because some people like their honey mustard more zingy, whereas others like it to be on the sweeter, creamier side, which means adding more mayo and adding more honey. See, as long as your base ingredients are good, your end result is going to be good for sure. And at the end of the day, trust your palate and always taste as you go. And that was it. Very quick and simple. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!